Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best chimney brush is probably one of the most overlooked tools in home maintenance, but it's absolutely essential for a safe and efficient fireplace. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 8-inch chimney brushes, exploring their features, benefits, and why they're a must-have for any homeowner with a fireplace. Get ready to learn everything you need to know to keep your chimney clean and your home safe. Number 5. Midwest Hearth 8-inch Chimney Cleaning Brush. This brush is designed for cleaning chimneys and flues. It's made in the USA with quality materials to ensure a thorough cleaning. The stiff poly bristles are perfect for removing coal and soot. This brush will effectively clean your metal stove pipes and chimneys. The heavy-duty, double spiral stem provides long-lasting durability. This feature ensures that the brush can withstand repeated use. It features 1 4-inch male pipe threads. This allows it to be used with fiberglass rod kits, which are sold separately. Superior components provide excellent performance. You can rely on it to get the job done right. This product is quality manufactured in the Midwest. You can trust the craftsmanship and durability of this brush. What we like. This brush uses polypropylene bristles, perfect for cleaning metal stove pipes. It's also proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality. If you have metal stove pipes and value American-made products, this is the one for you. What people say. The brush is very sturdy and well made. Bristles are stiff, but flexible enough for the application. It is sturdy, and easy to control side to side. Number 4. Midwest Hearth 8-inch Round Chimney Brush. This chimney brush is made in the USA. It is designed to clean your chimney effectively. This product ensures your chimney is free of debris. The brush features stiff steel bristles. These bristles are perfect for removing coal and soot. It helps maintain a clean chimney. It has a heavy-duty double spiral stem. This stem is made of galvanized steel for durability. This feature ensures the brush lasts a long time. This brush includes 1 4-inch NPSM fittings. It is designed for use with fiberglass rod kits. These fittings make it easy to attach and use. This brush is of professional quality. Superior components provide excellent performance. You can rely on it for effective chimney cleaning. This product is proudly made in the USA. It is manufactured in the Midwest. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This brush features tempered steel bristles, ideal for masonry flues. It's also made in the USA, guaranteeing durability. If you are dealing with a masonry chimney and want a reliable, American-made brush, this is your best bet. What people say. Built for actual work. Great stiff wire brush. Knocks off the buildup inside the stovepipe with little effort. Made of wire, not plastic, so it will get the job done. After attaching the recommended extension rods, I pushed the brush down the pipe from the roof. Pushed straight down with medium pressure until I felt resistance where pipe curves to the stove. Applied additional pressure to clear the curve. The brush felt stuck, but one jerk with tight grip and it came clear, and I was able to pull it back to the top and out of the stovepipe. Number 3. Rutland Products 1690 8-inch Chimney Brush. This brush is designed specifically for cleaning chimneys. It's perfect for insulated chimneys, stainless steel, or metal stovepipes. Many manufacturers recommend not scratching the flue. This brush is made with sturdy plastic to avoid any damage to the chimney. The brush is made of sturdy plastic, ensuring it can handle tough cleaning jobs. It's also acid-resistant, providing long-lasting performance. This brush features a 1 4-inch threaded fitting. This makes it easy to attach to your cleaning rods and get the job done. If you need to clean your chimney, this is the perfect tool. It is designed to be safe and effective, ensuring your chimney stays in great condition. What we like. This brush is specifically designed for insulated chimneys, stainless steel, or metal stovepipes. It is also acid-resistant, ensuring longevity. If you are looking for a brush that is safe for insulated chimneys, this is the perfect choice. What people say. We got the poly brush because it is better for stainless steel liners. Brush is very stiff but fit perfectly in the 8 inches diameter chimney. The poly brush will not damage or scratch up the inside of your chimney. Number 2. Midwest Hearth 8-inch square chimney brush. This is the Midwest Hearth chimney cleaning brush. It's designed to help you maintain your chimney. With this brush, you can ensure your chimney is clean and safe. The brush features stiff, tempered steel bristles. They are designed to effectively clean coal and soot. This ensures a thorough cleaning of your chimney. It has a heavy-duty, double-spiral galvanized steel stem. This provides long-lasting durability. You can rely on it for many cleaning sessions. It includes 1 4-inch NPSM fittings. These fittings are compatible with fiberglass rod kits. This allows for easy attachment and use. This brush is of professional quality. Superior components provide excellent performance. It's a reliable tool for chimney maintenance. This product is proudly made in the USA. It's manufactured in the Midwest. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This brush has a square wire design, perfect for square chimneys. It's also made in the USA, ensuring quality. If you have a square chimney and want a reliable, American-made brush, this is the one for you. What people say. This brush is made in USA and very well made. It's the perfect size for our chimney and did a great job. We used it twice last season and expect to use it for several years as the bristles are quite stiff and don't look like they'll break down anytime soon. Brush works amazing. Number 1. Rutland 1650 8-inch chimney cleaning brush. This brush is designed for chimney cleaning. Regular cleaning with it helps prevent dangerous chimney fires. Using this brush regularly can significantly reduce the risk of chimney fires. It's an important part of home safety and maintenance. The brush is made with oil-tempered spring wire. This construction ensures the brush's durability and extends its lifespan. You can easily attach a rod or pull rope to it, which are sold separately. This makes the cleaning process much more convenient. This chimney brush is proudly made in the USA. It represents quality and craftsmanship. This brush is designed for chimney cleaning. Regular cleaning with it helps prevent dangerous chimney fires. The brush is made with oil-tempered spring wire. This construction ensures the brush's durability and extends its lifespan. What we like. This brush uses oil-tempered spring wire for long life and durability. It's also made in the USA, ensuring quality. If you want a durable brush and value American-made products, then you should consider this. What people say. The brush head is the perfect size for my 8-inch flue. The brush is sturdy and the bristles are stiff enough to do the job. The brush head is well made and the bristles are holding up well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.